So next we're going to talk about how to assess the jugular vein in the horse. First you want to take a look at your horse and make sure that on both sides of the neck you see a jugular groove and that your jugular vein is not turgescent or standing up and visible in the neck. You want to run your hand up and down the jugular vein, again on both sides, and with that you are checking for any type of induration in that area, pain, swelling, or heat that might be secondary to a jugular injection or a thrombophlebitis in that area. And then another test that you do is to assess jugular filling, and for that you will compress the jugular vein and see how long it takes for it to fill above your compression side. And again, it should fill within just a few seconds of you compressing it, and when I let this compression off, the vein should again empty within just a few seconds. Similarly, you also want to assess for the presence of a jugular pulsation, and in a normal horse, Randy is going to video that here, you can only see it in the very lowest part of the neck, and that's the case here in Tommy. In a horse that might have, for example, a cardiac problem, you can sometimes see a jugular pulsation coming up to half or even the entire length of the neck. So that is always something that you want to look for and make sure that it's present in a normal horse only in the lowest part of the neck and doesn't come up any higher. And you can also, if you want to, assess the rhythm of that pulsation. I've seen horses, for example, with atrial fibrillation that had a very irregular jugular pulse.